get started. So today we are going to talk about another handy extension. And okay, let's analyze this file first. So as you can see, there are a lot of functions on over here, and you might have one of those cases where you have a lot of lines of codes or a lot of classes or a lot of function in a file where, and to navigate to the one which is in the last, you would have to scroll down, or maybe these are, I have arranged them numerically, but what if yours are not numerically arranged, and every time you have to make a change in a function you actually have to find them all in this mess. So I had actually this problem in one of my projects, and I stumbled upon a beautiful life-saving extension, and the name of the extension is actually called the Bookmark. So let's go and search it out. We are going to go into our extension and search for the extension called the Bookmarks. And as you can see, the first one by Alessandro Fragnani. So this is the one that we are actually looking for. Just install it. After you will install it, this bookmark symbol will appear over here, right? And it will actually keep tag of all of your bookmarks away in here. Anyway, even if you do not want to use it, it's still very beneficial. The first thing I'm going to teach you how you can actually put a bookmark. Assume you want to navigate to function 16, and every time you have to do that you have to scroll all the way down to the file. So right click, and there are actually shortcuts, but for now let's just say right click, and as you can see there are bookmark toggle, jump to next and jump to previous. For me it's showing the shortcuts on the Mac. For you it will show on the PC. For the Mac it's Alt Command plus K to put a bookmark, and let me show you by just using the GUI. When I click this, as you can see, this bookmark looking icon just showed up against this line. Again, you could also use the shortcuts. For the Mac they are Alt, Command and K. For the PC guys, just replace the command with Control, and your command should be Alt, Control plus K to put bookmarks, right? So once again I'm going to repeat myself: Alt Command K for Mac, Alt Control K for PC guys. So the next thing we are going to look at how we can actually navigate from one bookmark to another, and to do that just again right click, go and look at the shortcut. So bookmark, jump to next, and this is Alt Command L for Mac and Alt Control L for PC guys. Just click it and it will take you to the next bookmark, or you could just use the shortcuts, which I do. So Alt, Command and L, and it will take you to the next bookmark. As you can see, it's made my navigation from one function to another pretty much easier for me. I don't have to scroll down and look and just pull all of my hairs out of my head just to find a function. So it will pretty much speed up your work time. Anyway, the next thing is how we can actually go to the previous one. Again, Alt Command L for going to the left, until going to the next one, or Alt Control L for going for the next one for the PC guys. And to go to the previous, let's right click. As you can see, it's Alt Command J. So let's press Alt Command J for Mac guys and Alt Control J for the PC guys. So that was one way to do it. Okay, let me show you a very beautiful way. So you might be thinking, hey, I have to, if I have 10 bookmarks, if I am on the first one, I have to just go to next. That how it does makes my work faster, but it's still a lot of mess, right? So there's another way you could actually navigate from one to another bookmark, and that is using the command palette. So to open it, either you could just click on this setting and go to command palette, or you could just use their shortcut, which is for us Mac guys Shift Command and P, and it should open up this. You PC guys should look up yours, or you could just go to settings and it will show up for you. I am not sure what that will be, but it could be Shift Control plus P altogether. Anyway, say the bookmarks, and in here I'm going to just write list and press enter, and as you can see it's showing me all of the bookmarks just by giving it the line in this palette, it would just navigate to that one. So let's say we want to go to the function 16, which is on line 71. If I would just write line 71, as you can see, it has navigated me or shown me the line 61. While pressing enter, it will just take me to that line. So as you have seen how this beautiful extension bookmark would enhance our work time or our development process by making things easier for us. As I always say to all of my friends, always work smart, not hard. It's really stupid to work hard when you actually are given a lot of extension. Some of the hardcore programmers actually prefer working the hard way. I even used to do that, but it was laggy. What could I say? It makes me always complete on the day of the deadline my projects. So using these beautiful extensions to make my work faster, I could actually deliver them 5 days earlier than my actual deadline. So as you can see, that cut out a lot of time for me. So always make things easier for yourself too. So that's it for this video, guys.